In this video, we will show you how to make our Google Documents can be listened as audio. Okay, this is very helpful. If in one day we are very busy and doing multitasking, maybe this is the solution rather than we read our documents, we can just listening if this can be turned into the audio. Google just released new features called listen to audio. How to access this new feature? You can just using tools and select audio and select listen to this tab. But after I click this tab, I will stop to talking because let listen this audio. Okay, just click this.
Using AI video generators to create interactive storytelling. Interactive storytelling is transforming how content creators engage with audiences. Unlike traditional linear videos, interactive stories allow viewers to influence the narrative by making choices during playback. This approach increases engagement, improves retention, and creates personalized experiences. However, producing interactive videos traditionally requires advanced video editing skills and
Okay, you can hear that. In here, you can also change the voice style. Okay, like this is using educator, narrator, teacher, or another. For example, let's using narrator, how it looks like when we listen.
Using AI video generators to create interactive storytelling. Interactive storytelling is transforming how content creators engage with audiences. Unlike traditional linear videos, interactive stories allow viewers to influence the narrative by making choices during playback. This approach increases.
Okay, that's how we can turn our documents into the audio. And here we cannot download the audio, but if you want, you can just record it. Okay, but this feature is very helpful if we on the busy day or very busy day, and we can driving with listening to our documents with these new features. And that's our tutorial how to turn our Google Documents into audio. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.